sit there and watch you fall apart. There's no one coming to save you.